I'm gonna cut this bad boy here. Whoa. And look at this. Thank you for watching Mike's in the Garden, where it's my mission to show you just how easy it is to grow food. Today, I'm sharing with you my watermelon vine and how a 20-cent packet of watermelon seeds from Walmart, Wally World, has gotten me this giant watermelon here, which is ready to harvest. We're gonna cut this today, but I have to share how ginormous is the word this watermelon vine is, and why maybe it's something you consider, especially if you love watermelon and you live here in Central Florida. So let's get into it. So far, I've harvested 2 18-pound watermelons from my watermelon vine, and just from the count of it, big watermelons, almost ready. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watermelons, and a couple little babies, I'll call them, and then some infants, we'll call those, and we're going to keep an eye on them and see if they turn into these big monstrosities here. I like keeping these videos short because you're more likely to watch them if they're short, and I don't have a whole lot to say other than this pineapple patch where it started here. This bed seems to do really well. I don't give it a ton of nutrients, sprinkle compost on it every now and then. It gets a decent amount of sun. You can see some of these leaves here where they growing up the vine. A lot of these leaves are dead. I know some of the stick type bugs have been killing off a lot of these leaves, but all along the ground here, I mean, these vines easily stretch 15, 20 feet. There's the one up against the side there. I don't know if I should have pruned this back. I don't know if I should. I've seen videos where people grow these in like containers. As they start getting bigger, they put them in containers so they're easier to manage. I've watched and seen that where these get a little tendril at the junction, I guess, where the pineapple grows from, that when that starts to completely die back, that's when you know your watermelon is ready. I've seen videos where just after where the watermelon vine is, they cut these off so that it doesn't take more of the nutrients and the growth. I haven't done any pruning to these, so lesson learned. Pretty much zero pruning. A couple of them I cut just to test, and I think it actually killed them when they were little small, little baby watermelons. So that's it. Watermelons for days. If you're interested in possibly getting some watermelon seeds, I'll see how many I can save and share with you all. Make sure you click on the link tree down below and sign up for our email newsletter when we do our seed swap in early 2024. Look at that. This watermelon feels like a good 15, 18. I'm hoping it's 20 pounds. This will be my biggest watermelon yet. So peace and love. We'll catch you on the next video. If you like content like this, go down and subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment below with how your garden is doing. If you have any suggestions for this video, maybe you've grown it a different way, maybe you have some experience to offer. That's what this channel is all about. As you can see, we're effing around and finding out here in the garden. So I'm just sharing my experiences and what I've learned and what's worked for me. I'd love to hear from you what's worked for you. So hope to catch you on the next video. Peace and love. And if you're in Central Florida and you're interested in doing a garden walkthrough, I'd love to come and check out your garden and see what we can share with the world. So that's it, family. Peace and love.